Time to fire up the spit by Steelle and get a lekker leg of lamb on that beast. Okay, today I've got 12 people coming around. The weather hasn't been playing game here. It's been drizzling on the half-house for the last 3 days. So I got myself a 5 kilo leg of lamb. I'm going to do that on the Steelle spit BRAAI, and I'm going to add a bit of a smashed potato. It's my take on a smashed potato, so I'm excited to show you that, with a bit of asparagus. It's burning above the grill, above the burner on the grill plate. I'm excited, as I mentioned, to show you this. Let's go. Okay, ingredients for the marinade: 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, some mint, some rosemary, some parsley, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper, and then 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. We're going to mix that all through together. We're going to put the lamb onto the spit spear, and then we're going to marinate it before we put it on. Okay, our marinade is now ready. The beauty of the Steelle spit BRAAI is that you get a great set of components. Here's a stainless steel spear. This works with the fork sets. You get 2 singles and a double. Also, you get this meat basket, this nifty meat basket that comes with it. So obviously today we're going to use the normal spear. We look for the spot in the lamb so that we can spike it through. Might not necessarily get to center, but you've got to just try and bypass the bones. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice piece of lamb. Very nice piece of lamb. Alright, I've chopped up my ingredients, the rosemary, the garlic, all of the other ingredients, and I've just got to now add my Dijon mustard. I'm going to just put quite a healthy 2 tablespoons in here. With the olive oil, and give it all a bit of a stir. Add my salt to taste. And my pepper. Yeah, now just give it a bit of a stir until it's in a paste form. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to score the lamb on the fat side. Just generously, just the light way through. We're just going to score it just lightly. Get it ready, and then we'll brush the marinade on once it's into the spit BRAAI. We've now scored the fat on the lamb, and it's now just to do the marinade. Oh, this nice thick mustard based marinade. Get it into the scored sections. Make sure you get it all around, and we'll keep some for basting while it's on the spit BRAAI. Listen to how silent that motor is. Okay, so the spit braai has been going for about an hour and 15 minutes, and I've pulled the tray. This is a catch tray at the bottom of the Steelle spit braai. You can see a lot of the lamb sauce already in there, and it's sizzling. I've pre-boiled these potatoes for about 35 minutes to 40 minutes, and I'm going to just place them into this Steelle drip tray. Oh, listen to that lamb fat. It's all the fat off the lamb. Let's put them in here. Now this is obviously for our sides of what we call smashed potatoes. Okay, just going to lay them in over that side, and I'm going to take a masher. I'm just going to give it a slight mash, not too much, so that it breaks up. Just a slight mash, and then I'm going to bake them in the spit braai in the tray. That's it. Okay, what I've put together already nice, I've pre-boiled. This was the garlic, lemon and butter. Just some crushed garlic. This, I'm not going to use the fresh garlic. I just want to put some crushed garlic into this. Give it a bit of a stir. And then before we put it back into the spit braai, I'm just going to pour this over the smashed potatoes. And we'll put that back in now. Back into the spit braai. Some salt and pepper for taste. I will put the recipe at the bottom of this YouTube video, so you guys can see all of the detail. Okay, now it goes back into the spit braai for 20 minutes. Okay, as a sides for this lamb, I'm going to do a garlic brown buttered baked asparagus with Parmesan cheese. Ingredients are very simple for this. Just get one tray. This will sit now above the burner in the spit braai on the Steelle grill grid. I've got asparagus. I'm laying it out flat. I'm going to cut about 4 tablespoons of butter, some lemon juice, some Parmesan cheese, and some garlic. I'm going to mince up some garlic. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the tray. I've just lined the asparagus out into a tin foil holder like this. It'll fit above the burner. Put a bit of salt on to taste, and I'm going to make a mix with the garlic, the butter and the lemon. I'm going to then pre-boil this just before serving. Pull the asparagus off when the lamb and that is ready, and I'm just going to soak it in all of this butter sauce. Oh, it's going to be delicious. And now for the moment of truth. Chef's prerogative. Oh, that's good.